Check this out. Tonight we have for the first time on TBN station, Esther Lormil and Friends. If you don't know who Esther is, she's a Haitian American gospel artist who ushers in the Spirit of God wherever she goes. She's worshiping in English, she's gonna worship in Creole. You know I'm gonna bring my Haitian flag. 1 second, can I talk to my community for a second? My Haitian community, this is the first time that they have a Haitian American ministering the gospel of Jesus Christ for the world to see. You all need to be there, especially the young people. We need to be in the building. If you've never heard this woman minister before, you are in for a big treat. Esther Lormil and Friends at TBN station tonight in New York City. All seats are free. Now, I know some of you have a lot of things to do, and I understand that. But listen, if you want to come and have a worship experience, come to TBN station. It's going down tonight, and it's free. I don't know about you, but I'm going to be there, and I'm going to be raising my Haitian flag. I'm going to have the Christian banner on one hand, and I have the Haitian flag on the other hand. Like, what? Take this video and pass it out, post it, repost it, tag your friends, and share it, just put it on, do everything. Pass it out like it's a rumor. Put the title, Michael Jackson is really alive. I'm not talking about BCAT. People in Haiti is gonna be able to see this. If you've never had a worship experience with Esther Lormil, you're about to be blessed. It's free seating, so you gotta get there on time. Time is right there, check out the time right there. It's the time right there. Hope to see you guys there. It's gonna be a blessing. Stay blessed and forever walking away. Deuces.